Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to apply for an e-visa to India, whether you are a first time or second time applicant. Watch my video until the end, and if you have questions, just comment down. Here are the requirements. Be mindful that in the website you have to type very fast. That is why I advise you to make your own notepad, so you will just copy and paste immediately. So this is the e-visa website of India, and you have to be aware that this is free. Now, there are 4 e-visa application process, so we have to follow this. And there is also an e-visa application sample here. So we will start with the application now. So I'm gonna fill in this information. For the visa service, there are various options. For me, I'm just going to choose e-tourist visa for 30 days. So up to you, which one should you take? Now let's move on to the next page. So in the next page, you will see an application ID number. So you can copy this and continue your application later on. But in my case, I just save and continued my application. There's a lot of information to be filled in page number 3. So guys, be fast. Since my work timed out, so I did it again. Now, I am already in page number 4. So it's about the places to be visited in India, your hotel information, and also the address, as well as your previous visa information. So you also have to be very fast here because a lot of information needed, or else your website will be timed out. You also need to write a reference in India. So this can be your hotel address, and then the phone number, and also your reference name in the Philippines, maybe your family or whoever it is. Move on to the next page. Be sure to read it properly and say no. Then upload your photos and also your passport. Be sure that it meets all the necessary requirements. Here is your visa, so check everything, and you can also modify if there are some errors. See, it's free of charge. Now wait for the email of the e-visa, and then you can print it. Now have fun in incredible India!